Hi guys, best free voice changer for PC. Now open your browser and search for Clownfish Voice Changer. But be careful. Many fake download buttons appear first. Go to the official website and download the version compatible with your PC. Choose 64-bit unless you have an older system. Head to your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file. Then simply follow the installation prompts by clicking Next, and then Install. This part is quick, so don't overthink it. Once installed, use the Windows search bar to type Clownfish Voice Changer and open the app. Here's where most people get confused. It won't open a big window. Instead, it hides in your system tray. Those little hidden icons in the bottom right corner. Keep watching to see exactly where. Right-click the Clownfish logo in the system tray, hover over Setup, and click System Integration. Find your microphone in the list and click Install next to it. This step is critical, or nothing will work. Right-click the logo again and select Set Voice Changer. Choose an effect like helium or female pitch to instantly change your voice. To go back to normal, just select Clear Effect. That's a trick most beginners miss, and that's it. You're ready to sound like a totally different person.